Barton Springs is a local swimming pool in Austin, Texas that attracts more than 100,000 people a year. It is a natural spring pool that is fed by the Edwards Aquifer.
Barton Springs is one of the most fragile ecosystems in Austin. Under these waters, there is 12 different species of animals and fish.
Barton Springs is water fed by the Edwards Aquifer. The Edwards Aquifer has a very large recharge zone that has a lot of pollution in it from Austin. This pollution flows into Barton Springs and hurts its ecosystem.
When Barton Springs was founded in 1891, it was fresh and there was little to no pollution found. It was full of life and populated with a huge variety of plants and underwater animals. Now it's 2014 and Barton Springs is polluted with oils and runoffs. The population has dwindled and only some plant life and fish still exist.
Why is it important to protect the ecosystem of Barton Springs?
Why is it important to protect the ecosystem of Barton Springs?
Yes.
Well, there's only one of it, and once it's gone or damaged, probably isn't going to reappear. So this is a place that hundreds of thousands of people come to every year and enjoy. And just like everywhere else, that's a natural environment. Once it's gone, it may be gone forever. So if that's important to people, then we should do everything we can to protect it. Well, it was first opened to the public almost 100 years ago, and this deck that we're standing on wasn't here. These dams at both ends weren't here. So little increments, little changes have taken place. The bathhouses and the buildings were built somewhere in the late 20s, early 30s. Obviously, Austin is a lot more crowded than it used to be. It used to be a small city, and now we're one of the largest cities in America. So it's more crowded. Water quality is probably diminished a bit, and we have these man-made structures that are sort of incorporated into the scenery.
Why is it important to maintain the ecosystem of Barton Springs?
Well, Barton Springs is related to the Edwards Aquifer, and that feeds the water supply of all of Central Texas. I mean, it affects it all the way down to San Antonio and out toward West Texas. And if we destroy part of this ecosystem, then we're going to end up losing our water supply.
Although there are many different types of aquatic life in Barton Springs, it's important to keep them all living and healthy, but also keep the water non-polluted so this popular spring can last for years to come.
Overall, it's important to maintain the ecosystem of Barton Springs because it kind of changes it from being a pool to everything else. Like, Barton Springs is having tons of wildlife and big community of people here, but then you go to any other pool, it's totally different. So I think it really makes Barton Springs unique, and it also makes it more beautiful and natural to the environment.